Welcome. This video is to prepare you for a visit to San Jacinto College during our COVID-19 modified operations following our latest procedures. If you have been scheduled for a test, intake, or other type of appointment, you should receive an email similar to the one you see here. At the top of the email, you will see the date, day, and time of your appointment. For example, in this email, the student is scheduled for Wednesday, March 11th at 9 a.m. in Building 1, C1, Room 112. Coming on campus requires some actions on your part and to bring a few things with you. Notice in red, you must complete the pre-screening online form and have a copy of this confirmation email. We are going to discuss the steps needed to take before you come on campus. Number 1, before the exam. Before visiting campus, you will need to make sure you have a couple of things ready for your visit. Letter A. You will need to have a copy of your confirmation email, which is this email, either on your phone or in a paper format. Letter B, the second part. You will need to fill out the campus pre-screening visit request form in a link below, at least 1 hour before you're scheduled to test. You will need to have the electronic QR code, as seen here, in order to enter the testing area. You can complete your form up to 2 days before coming on campus, but again, it must be completed a minimum of 1 hour before you arrive on campus to ensure that there is enough time to get the approval code to come on campus. The third thing you'll need to bring with you is a mask, which is required on campus. San Jacinto College continues to require a mask to enter any of the college facilities. Now let's take a look at the pre-screening form and how to get the QR code discussed here. On your email, you will notice there is a highlighted letter B that says pre-screening form for students. When I hover over the link, you will notice that it asks me to press the control button and click the link. The control button is at the bottom left hand of your keyboard. It says CTRL. A hand will appear and you can click the link. It will take you to Forms for Students on the San Jacinto College webpage. Notice there are 2 forms you can complete. We encourage you to complete the standard form as there is not login information required. Once you enter the non-student pre-screening questionnaire, you're going to enter student information. Notice that there are red asterisks or little red stars next to places that are required. If there is not a red asterisk or star, the information is not required. For example, G number does not have a red asterisk, so you will not need to complete that. Let's complete the basic information. Please enter an email address that is accessible, as this is where your approval code will be sent. If you have an email account linked to your phone, this will allow you to show the approval code from your phone when arriving on campus. Once you have completed the student information, scroll down to the screening questions. There is no need to check this box as it does not apply to you. There are two main questions that ensure safety of all persons on San Jacinto College campuses. Those questions ask if you are feeling sick right now or have been in the last 14 days with symptoms that may indicate you have the coronavirus. Also, notice it says do not select yes if symptoms are from a previously diagnosed and ongoing non-COVID condition. For example, you may have asthma and show these symptoms. I would not check yes if I have been checked out and know that these symptoms are related to another illness. The second question is if you have been within 6 feet or exposed to a sneeze or cough with someone with confirmed COVID. If you have been exposed to someone that has COVID, then you would check yes. If the answer is no, click no. For the campus visit, you are coming to Central Campus, so select the box next to Central Campus. There is no need to select the campus programs. As a reminder, you can select and complete this form up to 2 days before your appointment. I'm going to select the appropriate date. There is no need to complete instructor information. The final step is to acknowledge that you have read and been informed about the content, requirements, and expectations included above. Once you have done this, check the box and click Submit Form. The following screen will appear and let you know that you have completed the process. Just in case, it says check your spam or junk folder if you do not receive the confirmation code. Let's return to the email and discuss college arrival procedures. Most entrances to the campus have now been opened. We encourage you to enter on Spencer Highway at the main entrance or through Luella Boulevard. We encourage you to park in parking lot P3 as shown below. Once parked, you will enter the Interactive Learning Center C1 Central Campus building, as highlighted down here. You will need to present your pre-screening form with the QR code at the check-in table. You will receive a wristband that will allow you to proceed to the testing room. In this case, you will notice that the student will be going to room C1-112. When you arrive in the testing area, please remember a few things. Try to arrive at least 15 minutes prior to your exam time, as it will take some time to get to the testing room. When you arrive, please make sure you have a valid ID that is not expired. Just a reminder that you will need this email as well to enter the testing area, and if you are testing, you will need to bring an ink pen. We look forward to seeing you soon.